Good morning. This is Mike Johnson with the National Weather Service in San Angelo, Texas, and this is the morning weather briefing for Tuesday, August 11th. Well, we've got a weak cold front that's moving south across the big country this morning, and that's going to make temperatures a few degrees cooler than what we've seen over the past several days. In fact, we don't expect temperatures to reach triple digits across the big country. We will, however, see a few thunderstorms. Most of this activity is going to remain to the north and east of a Haskell to Baird line, including Throckmorton and Shackelford counties, but wouldn't be surprised if we did see one or two isolated showers or thunderstorms develop a little bit farther to the south and west this afternoon. We will continue the heat advisory across the Concho Valley, Heartland, and Northwest Hill Country as temperatures range between 100 and 105 degrees once again this afternoon, just ahead of that cold front. A little bit farther southwest, temperatures would be a little bit closer to the century mark, where the terrain's just a little bit higher around Sonora and Ozona, so it won't be quite as hot. If you're going to be out this afternoon, remember to take frequent breaks and drink plenty of water. It's best to avoid the hottest part of the day if you're going to be working outside, which is generally between 2 and 6 p.m. Well, this cold front we just mentioned is going to make it a little bit farther south tomorrow. It's going to be very slow moving, but we expect during the afternoon hours it's going to be south of a San Angelo to Brady to San Saba line. And we could see a few thunderstorms during the afternoon hours, mainly from, say, Ozona, Sonora, Junction, Mason, and those locations. Most areas are going to stay dry. We really don't expect very much coverage with this thunderstorm activity, but we will see cooler temperatures with high temperatures generally in the 90s across west central Texas. We could see one or two spots breach triple digits, but for the most part, I think we're going to stay in the 90s. We don't expect severe weather with any of these storms that develop along Interstate 10, but due to these warm temperatures, we could see some localized gusty winds with any of these storms that do develop. Well, we're looking for a bit of a pattern change here as we move into the latter part of the week and through the weekend, and that's going to keep temperatures, while still above normal, keep temperatures a little bit cooler than what we've seen the past week or two. We do expect highs generally in the upper 90s to right around 100 degrees across the area, and we really don't see a whole lot of opportunity for rainfall over the next 7 days. There's a little hint that we could see a little wave move across on Friday or Saturday that could bring some showers and thunderstorms, but as of right now, we're pretty sure that most of this activity is going to stay off to the west, but we'll keep an eye on that as we move forward in time. So be sure and check back for the latest forecast as we move toward the end of the work week. You can get your updated weather forecast at our webpage, which is www.weather.gov/San Angelo, or you can get it by following one of our social media accounts. We're on Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. Just search for NWS San Angelo.